will introduce myself. My name is Fuad Hashim. You can call me Hashim. I study at Vocational High School in Ubandaran. I am in the 10 TKR. I am 17 years old. I live on Bantaran. My hobby is football. Thanks all from me. Thank you.